Okay, I'm having trouble starting this. So either clicks or turns over really hard. Okay, that's with the key, right? But when I pull the wire off and jump it, it turns over really fast. So, see? And it'll start if I turn the key on. But the issue I'm having is, why is it when I just have the wire on here, it turns over real hard or just clicks every once in a while? This solenoid is brand new. Both ends of the positive cable are clean. Both ends of the negative cable are clean. I get good continuity between this end and the other end of the white wire, but somehow it's dragging. I don't know where to go from here. Got any ideas, let me know. This is on a 25 horsepower Kohler on a snapper 0 turn, and the other end of the white wire goes into the other end of that white wire from the solenoid goes into the back of the power takeoff. Sorry, I wasn't aiming very well. All right. So I don't know if there's issues with the wires. I don't know where to look next. If I'm supposed to clean each one of these ends. Here's the other end of the white wire right here. Goes into the power takeoff. You don't need to have the power takeoff on. So that's what I got.